Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy, and today we are doing a holiday house tour. I'm very excited. I love Christmas and I love decorating for Christmas, so I hope you enjoy. The first thing we have when we walk into my house are my rugs. The first one is a Jingle All the Way rug, which came from the At Home store. Then we have the two big candy canes on my coat closet, which also came from the At Home store. And then we have our Joy candy cane rug, which I love, and you'll see it kind of all flows together. Once you've entered, you see my little bookcase, and on the very top of the bookcase are these two little sleds that are tea light holders that have a reindeer and a tree. I don't know where they came from. I've had them for a very long time. And then we have the box plant in the middle, which says Merry Christmas, and that I actually crafted. It's in a video. I can link it down below. And then the silver snowflake came from Hobby Lobby. Then moving down on the bookcase, there is a white snowflake, which came from Hobby Lobby, and a little pick branch that also came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have Santa, which I have no idea where it came from, and then a truck snow globe, which came from Walmart. And then the next one down is I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas wood block, and that is a craft that I made. The little red and white retro tree came from Family Dollar, and then the white tree, which lights up, came from Target. Then we have the little candy cane lane sign, which came from Hobby Lobby. And then we have two candy canes, which are a craft that I made. And then the Stop and Smell peppermint box sign came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have our Christmas carousel, which came from Macy's. Moving into the house, we have a little bucket, which came from a local grocery store that will hold our Christmas cards as they start to come in. And then this beautiful white Santa flying with this reindeer. It's all glittery, and I just love it. I got that on clearance from Hobby Lobby. Our living room, we have this cute little blanket ladder, which I am loving. And on it, I've hung some little jingle bells. Those came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have this reindeer blanket at the top, and it is from Home Goods, I believe. And then we have the little penguin blanket. That is a Vera Bradley blanket from a few years ago. Then I have this little red and gray white blanket, and that one's big, and it came from Home Goods, and it has little trucks and things. It's very, very soft. And then the candy cane crocheted blanket actually came from my mom. And then on our stockings, we have our names, and those are crafts that I made. And then our stockings came from the At Home store. The garland sitting on my TV console is from Lowe's. Now looking at my tree, all the different pieces came from a lot of different places. We've got the topper from Lowe's, ribbon from Hobby Lobby and At Home, ornaments from years ago from a store called Shopko, and then some Hobby Lobby ornaments, some at-home ornaments, some homemade ornaments, and then the tree skirt is from At Home. I love that all of my window lights and my tree and my TV console garland all change so they can be colored or they can be white. And this year I'm filling the colors, but I can always make it white if I need to. But every light in my house I can change from colored to white. And then the Have Yourself a Merry Christmas pillow is from Target Dollar Spot. Moving over to the couch, we have the 2 bolster pillows that have the big truck pillow. On my couch, I do also have the little kitty cat blanket, and it's red and white, and it is so soft and comfy. It came from At Home. We have the round peppermint swirl pillow from At Home. And then I've got the little wicker snowman on my coffee table, which is from Target. Some wood coasters with the reindeers on them, which are from a craft that I made. And then the little circle peppermint is from Target Dollar Spot. Moving into the dining room, we have on my table, we've got the placemats, which came from Hobby Lobby. Then I have the little peppermint turntable, which came from Home Goods. The little gingerbread butter dish canister, which came from Home Goods. The little peppermint salt and pepper shakers came from World Market. And then a few more coasters, which were part of my craft. Over on my coffee cart, we have a Ray Dunn canister, another red truck canister, and then this ornament canister, which came from Target Dollar Spot. Moving down to the second shelf, we have a little cookie jar that is a little red truck, and then some little plastic containers full of some marshmallows, and then all of my Christmas mugs, which I absolutely love. Moving into the kitchen, we have a little glass tree from Target that has M&Ms in it currently. And then we have another glass canister that says candy cane. And that one is from Target Dollar Spot as well. That has my sourdough starter in it. Then I have a couple spoon rests. One's a Santa Claus. And then moving to the other side, we have one that's a truck. Then I have this little stacking snowman that has, it's actually a measuring cup, but we use it to hold things. So that's really nice. I know Target had some like that, but then turning around at my sink, you've got my dish towels, which came from Costco, and then the snowflake rug, which is Costco. Moving over by my fridge, we have a couple more dish towels, which I've had for quite a few years, and then my little hot cocoa mat. Then going across a few of these doors, upstairs, I have some more garland that is lit, and then it's just like the other garland where I can change the color of it anytime that I'd like. Then over here at this part of like going back to our little guest bathroom, I've got this little candy cane sign, which is from a few years ago. And then when you go into my bathroom, I've got this little cute snowman hand towel that looks, says let it snow. And I don't know where it came from. It was a gift. This beautiful stitching, cross stitching, which was a gift from my mother-in-law, and then a truck that I got from at home a few years ago that just says Merry Christmas, so it's very festive in here as well. Then here in our bedroom, I do have the new red sheets and the new duvet comforter that is all Christmas, and oh, they're so comfy. I love them. And then I have this cute little snowman pillow which came from Costco, and then this little Squishable that is like a little hot chocolate. And if you've never used a Squishable as a pillow, you should definitely give it a try. It's like the best pillow ever. And then finally in the office, we have Christmas lights going across the office ceiling, and then I also have a little Christmas tree, and that's about it. In here, my bedroom and my office are the next like big things that I want to decorate, but I haven't got to it yet. It's all in like steps. So that is my holiday house tour this year. So if you enjoyed it and got any decorating inspiration from it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this, I would love to have you hit that red subscribe button and join my little internet family. And until next time, I hope that you guys are having a great day. Bye.